Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, you're welcome. For the new subscribers, thank you for joining and feel most welcomed and at home. So today's video is a weekend vlog with me. So this was the Easter weekend, Easter Sunday weekend. So it rained all weekend. It started off on a Saturday. It was raining, as you can see, and because of the rain we couldn't do much outside. We were stuck indoors. However, I do love the sound of rain. It's giving. I love the sound of rain. It just gives sort of like a peaceful feeling. Also the beauty of nature just outside. You see how beautiful the flowers are.
What do you need? You need syrup? What kind of syrup? What is it? Tell me, what is it? Cinnamon toast? Is it too high for you?
since it was raining all day, we were stuck inside, and that's okay. So we continued with our indoor shenanigan with the kids, just, you know, chilling. So my initial plan of the day was to go to the gym and also pass by Target, but to my surprise, both the gym and Target were closed for the day. I honestly did not know that the stores close during Easter, so this was new to me. Now I know that during Easter, some shops do close because other shops were open. TJ was open, Big Lots was open, just Target was closed. Plan A does not work, then you have a plan B, and this is my plan B. So today's video is pretty much weekend vlog and also a review of my new phone and whether iPhone 15 is for you or not, or whether to choose between iPhone and a Samsung. Then this is a video for you to watch. So initially my comparison is between the phones that I've used. So my upgrade, I upgraded from iPhone 11 to an iPhone 15. And that's how many upgrades up. That's like 4 upgrades up. So that should tell you something about me. I don't upgrade phones just to upgrade. Also, I'm not into trends, you know. So I'll buy something because I need to, not because it's trending or just to keep up with the Jonases. No. So I'll buy something because there's a need to get it. I decided to take a walk at one of our local parks close to me. So this particular park that I'm walking or I'm at is called Eldorado Park. Eldorado Park is a park in Long Beach. It's actually big in size, approximately 100 acres. It has 6 lakes and has a lot of sports amenities, like it has a golf course, a volleyball pitch and all that. Just lots to do. If you're someone who loves the outdoorsy, you will love it here. It has a bike trail. You cannot run out of things to do here. So if you love being outside, this is a good spot for you. Or if you have kids, they also have an amazing playing ground for little ones. I also noticed that they have like a fishing area. Like if you love fishing, they have like 2 lakes inside the park where you can go fishing, but you need to check their rules on fishing, because I think they do have a policy and some of the regulations must be followed. If you love to walk and run, like I said, it's a very beautiful place. Like you can take a nature walk as you just admire everything around you. You can run as well. It's huge. So yep, I would totally recommend, if you're within the area, Eldorado Park is a good spot to go out for an adventure. So some of the advantages of iPhone 15 so far: good cameras. You all can see it's quite clear, and as a new content creator, this is just a plus for me. I've had this phone for like 2-3 days, and I can tell very minimal editing is needed when taking videos and photos. I do very little to editing, which I love. The pictures are so clear, like the precision. It's just really good quality compared to iPhone 11 that I had. Also, I loved this particular iPhone 15 because of the size. I went for the Pro. I love small phones, and I was told the difference between the 15 Pro and Pro Max is just the sizes of the phone, but I loved the smaller one better. In terms of functionality, this would be ideal for me because I get to carry it and just go with it. I also love the Face ID feature, which my previous phone didn't have, or I didn't use it, so I can't even remember if it had it. Correct me if I'm wrong or right, but it didn't have that feature. But more specifically, I love the videography, the camera for this iPhone 15. A disadvantage or a con so far, it takes quite long for it to charge. Something I did not expect, given it's a newer version of an iPhone. Yes, so it takes longer. I can charge it versus what I had expected, because even the iPhone 11 took longer, but this one, surprisingly, it took long for it to charge. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong, but that's just my observation. So far I can say that I have no regrets going for iPhone 15. I highly recommend. Despite the rain, that did not stop us. So after this walk, I went back home and yes, got the kids out to jump a little bit. I just moved the trampoline out of the rain and there they were having so much fun. If you're thinking of what to do or some of the activities you want to do with your kids, I suggest and recommend the trampoline. By this time I was starving, and voila, I had some yummy food prepared by Wonodidi. Big ups to Wonodidi for creating the best plant-based food. That salad, really good. Check his page out for more details on what he prepared for us, but this was really yummy and tasty, so thank you, Wonodidi. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. These are some of the pictures that I took while I was at the park, and I love them. As usual, it's been nice and fun creating this video. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye and take care.